Crypto market situation update. Here we go for the second time today. We got the Litecoin, guys. We're raising a warning flag here. We have to, because we see some unusual behavior. Let's just call it that way, where price is pulling back down and revealing a suspicious spike. Take a look at that spike that seems to be cooking up here as price pulls down nice and slow. It has enough time by the end of the month to close below 175.85, and that seems to be the motion here. We know 175.85 is a massive resistance level. We've seen price slice that level up a month ago. It was definitely bouncing off, right, with a lot of force after the encounter. So we know it's a big level, but we also know that the market is very bullish right now. So this might actually end up as a legit breakout. That's what we thought at the beginning, but now we're having some second thoughts about that because of that big spike starting to show itself with every passing day. This spike is getting bigger and bigger. So, and like I said, we got about 2 weeks to go to the end of the month. Easy. Price can easily drop back, close the month below 175.85, and that will be a big deal, because that will strongly suggest, just imagine that big spike here where price is going to end up something like this, right? That's going to be a huge indication that we're going to have a massive downside reversal with the potential to go back to the same level, everything started here, where price came from, the levels of 35. That's how deep it could go, right? 35, even 20. If you go to the very edge of these lows, then we'll be talking about 20, right? But again, we're going to, once we have that big spike and big turnaround potential, we're mostly going to talk about 117.29 as the first one, and then 51.80 as the second one. But that's, again, that's still ahead. That's still quite ahead. We're going to be focusing on the battle that's going to go down here with price action at 175.85. Keep your eyes peeled, guys. I have a strong feeling we're going to see price basically landing back inside, and then it's going to be a game changer, right? Unless, of course, price will remain above 175.85 by the end of the month, which will strongly suggest that this is indeed a legit breakout, and that will mean that price is going to hunt first this level here, right here, 290, which is the 76.4 Fibonacci correction of the whole bear market across 2018. That's the first one. But if this is a legit breakout, if it's going to end up as a legit breakout, then I don't think this is the only level that's going to be targeted. I believe it's going to go beyond, and it's going to target the all-time high, which was determined back at the end of 2017 around 370, right? Just for comparison, the Bitcoin is already double the distance of its all-time high, right? The all-time high, the Bitcoin was 20. It's trading around 45. It's been 47 or 48 even, right? More than double. We're here, we're just getting closer. We're not even close though. We're not even close yet to the all-time high, but we're getting closer. But for the Litecoin here to actually take that previous high, it has to overcome 175.85, and it has to overcome that level now, right? It's not gonna have that privilege to continue to trade sideways in this massive range and also take the previous high, right? That just doesn't exist. It doesn't coexist. It's either going to have a big turnaround back to 50, 40, 30, those levels, or we're going to have a massive breakout that's going to jeopardize, it's going to hunt, it's going to chase that previous all-time high. All right, guys, that's our overview on the Litecoin at this point in time. I'll be more than happy to come back probably next week to follow up on the situation here. That's about that for the day today, guys. Enjoy the rest of it. We'll be back tomorrow as usual. Take care.